Have a cuddle. Hi, baby. Good morning. Good morning, sweetheart. Good morning.
You're a wet chicken.
You will be a wet chicken later after we have a shower. It's shower day, isn't it? It's shower day. Give me a kiss.
Gobble, gobble. That part.
No, Dad doesn't fart.
That part.
No. Mum farts. Mum farts.
That part.
No. Mum farts. You big silly. Give me a cuddle. Can I have a cuddle? Oh, yes. There we are. Good morning, sweetheart. Good morning.
You're a wet chicken. You're a wet chicken. You're a wet chicken.
I'm not a wet chicken. You're going to be a wet chicken.
Oh, work.
All right. Will you wait there for 1 second? And I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
I like. Crazy parrot. Rubbish. 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 Get open it. Get open it. Get open it. Here's your eye. Alexa, you ready? 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Give me a kiss. Give me a big kiss. Go on. You tell her.